Hey Tierra Bears, we back with another taste test, and y'all, I got a goat burrito taco. Lord, no, I'm a bit nervous about this one, but we gonna see what it's hitting on. We gonna see what it's hitting on. We gonna definitely see what it's hitting on. This the place right here. This the taco. It look good as fuck. I'm not even gonna hold you. It look good. She made sure she got me some limes. I love them for that. I love me a good lime on my taco. And I got cilantro. So that's that. She also gave me this sauce and it's cold, so we gonna see what it's hitting for. I'm gonna try it without it first, and then we gonna try it with it. Duh. Look how big this is. That's a good goat. Whoa, y'all, this goat good. And you know what's crazy? I came here yesterday, but I was like, I don't want no goat taco. But guess what? I'm back trying it because what I look like, I'm a whole taste tester. I'll eat a snake if y'all ask me. But that was no sauce, so now you can try it with the sauce, y'all. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, you got sauce on there. You got the sauce on there. Sauce on there, y'all. The sauce cool, but it's hot. It's a bit too hot for me, and I feel like the taco is good without it. So that's how I feel. Now let's add my cilantro. And I'm gonna try to add it on here. I don't know. Oh, this I gotta open it up. I don't want these onions on there. I'm sorry. Y'all know I'm picky. Here go my lime. We're gonna try with that lime and see what it's hitting for. Okay, the lime and cilantro is on there. You're gonna try it with that and see what it's hitting for. What is it giving? Is it still good with it or what? That line, bring it out. Y'all, they did good for customer service and they didn't take long with this. The lamb brought it out. My food is hot and fresh, and go get y'all some goat from this place. Tell them T sent y'all. No, I'm just playing. Alright. This taco is really good though. Really good. That's why I ate it right here. Make sure I didn't want to get another one, you know? Oh, that was good. That was a 10 out of 10. I did only get one, y'all know, because I'm gonna probably get another one because that taco was good. That taco was really good. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and go get y'all a goat taco. Because what you doing if you ain't eating no goat? I love y'all and bye.
For this pussy nigga, get your hands up. Oh, you ain't tricking, nigga, I'ma hit your mans up. Cold ass, I keep bitch fire in the summertime. He gon' keep the bills paid, cause he know bitch fine. Bitches always in my business, JC, what you really do? I be at home playing bitch fly, swimming pool. I'm a real big dog, bitch, what's what you do? Doing all that white shit, no one here fuck with you. Post the girl pussy in your nigga dreams. I'm a hoe to skinny, but whoever in between. Gangsta bitch, JT, Medellin, haven't heard from the ops, yeah, they ain't said a thing. I be damn nigga, you know who I